Wowiper, located in Ningbo, Zhejiang Province, China, a global wiper blade source factory with a 12,000 scheme manufacturing base. Our annual revenue exceeds RMB 200 million. With 18 years of experience serving the global automotive aftermarket, we feature an injection molding workshop housing 20 presses capable of producing 99% of flat blade models, and a stamping workshop equipped with 5 punch presses, 110 plus ton capacity, and full tooling for conventional wiper blades, all supported by over 150 skilled staff. As a major supplier to Europe, including the UK, Russia, Spain, Czechia, Poland, Italy, Greece, Israel, France, and the Nordics, and the Americas, notably Brazil, we are the OEM manufacturer for renowned European brands. Our comprehensive product range covers hybrid, multifunctional, flat, conventional, rear, truck and bus wiper blades, etc. Robust process control with dedicated quality checks at each stage ensures consistent batch quality, underpinned by IATF 16949, ISO 9001, and CE certifications, partnering with top-tier brands worldwide for premium wiper systems. We look forward to cooperating with you.